Here I have a data set. In this column, here is first name and here is last name. I want to combine the first name and last name and write it over here using the Excel formula. I will apply two ways. So here let me apply the first way. Let me click on equal sign right here, concatenate text 1. Let me select the text 1, this one the text 1, and comma, and the text 2, this one the text 2. If I combine this cell also, I can easily select this one, but I don't need that cell. So let me close the bracket, hit enter. You will find the name Noah Roy, but I need a space between Noah and Roy. So what I have to do actually, let me click the formula again. Here after the comma, call a quotation mark, click on a space, again a quotation mark, hit comma and hit enter. Then you will find the exact name and the space between Noah and Roy. Here let me drag it down, then you will find total output here. If I copy this, press Ctrl C to copy. Here let me go to paste special, click on value, click on OK. Then here is the only values. If I remove the name, you will see the name is also moving from here but not from here, so I have to use the paste special option. Now let me show you the second way. Here let me click on equal, click on this cell, press and press this cell and hit enter. Then you will also find the combination of these two cells. Let me click on again. After the and sign, let me press quotation sign, space, quotation and another and sign, hit enter. Then this is exactly like the concatenate formula. If I add another things here, let me call another and select this cell, then you will find another one. Here I can easily apply another quotation mark and then you will find the first name, last name and the class. If I drag it down, you will find the all result here. If I want to add another sign except the space, I can easily write here another sign. Here you will find this kind of sign easily. You can also apply using this sign using concatenate formula. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.